Nice forward. Tango.
Where? Where?
12 o'clock. Behind the rock.
Rocks. Second
Bound
group,
up.
right side.
Bound up.
Perfect.
Move.
Moving right.
Romeo. 12. Move up to those rocks. I'll cover you. Straight ahead. Covering.
Go right, go right. Good job. Cover it.
Moving. Put some fire down.
No contact.
Got eyes on him.
Eyes on him, right, rocks.
Romeo. Don't move. Stay there.
He's hit.
He's hit.
Andrew, can you work up left kiddo?
Kind
Right,
of.
Connor.
Yeah.
Andrew, bound with Terry.
Got it.
Bounding with you. I'll cover you.
Where's Terry?
That tree right there, 12 o'clock.
Alright.
Okay, Terry, move on up.
Covering.
Moving.
Okay, Terry, I got you covered. Good.
Moving. Down the right. Sorry. Over the front.
Guys, Terry's hit. There's more in the rocks.
Where at? Over there?
Guys, Terry's hit. There's more in the rocks. Yeah, right in front of you.
Contact right.
Got it. Hang on.
Andrew.
I see
Connor,
him.
you want to move up to those boulders right there?
Yeah.
Covering.
Connor. No, other way.
He's moving. He's down.
Come on.
On your 6, covering.
Going up.
Raj. I got you right. Contact. Uphill. Terry.
Rock's clear. Rock's clear. Move up.
Regroup. Get up.
Shit. Contact right.
Contact right.
Okay, guys, peel over. Clarence, I got you.
I don't see him. Moving.
Covering. There you go. If that was their spawn, we'd be seeing. More people around here. So it's got. Was it there last time? Do we want to go over there and take off the orange tag? Yeah. Okay, I'll do it. Keep an eye out here, okay?
What do you got?
Come up to my left.
On over here, green team. Back here, respawn, green team.
Matt, is that you?
Derek,
Hey, green
spawn
team!
over here.
Green team over there, is that you? Are you guys green team? Yeah, we got this spawn point. Okay.
Roger that.
Got it.
Okay.
Alright, they can spawn back to the one we just took because it's no longer contested.
Okay.
So they're spawning right
They're
there?
spawning right there. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Double time.
So,
Go, Harry. Go, 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 go.
you guys go right, we'll go straight.
Got it. Sounds good. Clarence.
Hey,
Clarence.
he needs to lay fire before you guys even start moving because they're coming at us right now.
Yeah.
Hey, we're about to get contact close.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Where's the bunker? Go, go, go.
Okay, one guy to the right. Contact front!
High right.
I'm going up middle. Clarence, I'm right behind you.
You got a 7-meter spread, one each.
I'm under fire here.
Yeah.
Andrew, go right, go right. I'll cover you.
Connor's hit. Connor, go back to spawn. Go, go, go. Oh, there's a bleed out?
Yeah.
5 minute bleed
How
out.
long?
5 minute? Holy crap. Guys, we
I
should
got nothing.
we rethink this and go back and hold the other flag?
Hit.
Yeah, let's go and hold that other flag. Let's hold that flag, Terry. Yeah, Terry, let's get back. Let's get out of here. Yeah, I see him. He's moving right. If I had my M14, I could hit him from here. He's in the bush directly on top of Clarence. Above him like 30 feet. It's okay, we're good. It was not to our left. Yeah, it's straight out there.
All right, Connor, let's go. I think that's contested, dude. That's in the open. Yeah, we're not gonna spawn there.
Come back here. We're holding it.
Well, but it's contested though.
Oh, come on.
Oh, there he goes.
We can't spawn there. Really? Oh yeah. Walk that way.
You can't spawn up here?
Nope.
Why could they spawn up over there?
Because their flag was up. It wasn't contested when they were respawning.
Yeah. Oh, nice shot. Connor, move up.
Hit! Good job.
Yeah, sorry, man. I didn't want to shoot you. I wanted to shoot you in the armor.
No, you're fine. You're good. You're good. It's airsoft, right? Okay.
Greg, hope you can go.
All right.
You guys fought well for it.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait to watch this
I kind of
video.
feel bad that we just spawned, and then we're like, well, let's go take him out.
Shit.
To my left, I mean.
Oh shit, we're taking fire.
Yeah, dude, we're taking fire.
Romeo.
I was way out of range for that one.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know he was directly over there.
Stupid. Babies don't stay in. Behind the rock. Right side. Romeo.
Do we have any friendlies?
Not yet.
They're just like, all right.
Yeah, it's fun training BBs with you guys. You alive? Get the flag, dude. Oh, we got it?